Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Fiat ABARTH. So from any screen, if you go to phone, you'll see settings here in the corner, recent calls, some blocks, a picture of an envelope, and then settings. Click settings, you see there Barry's phone, click on Barry's phone, and that gives you the option to disconnect, delete, delete phone data, delete device. Delete device, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro from the phone and audio device list, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Fiat ABARTH. So first of all, we have to make sure that Bluetooth is on like so. Then we're watching out at the bottom here. Over to the unit, if we go, you see along there radio, media, trip, phone. We'll click on phone. It's searching for paired devices. That's because I've just deleted a phone. But anyway, it says there, go to settings to add. So settings, add device, paired audio. So click add device. It's already come up here. Start pairing procedure on phone or Bluetooth device. So we'll click on the phone. And it's showing me there. It did give me a pin number to put in, but it's now generated a random pin. You just have to click OK if it matches. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. And that's showing connected there. Pairing successful. Make this your favorite. Yes. You don't have to, of course. Do you want to download your phone book and recent calls? Yes. That's it, all done. I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile phone through the actual system. So once you've got your Bluetooth paired, if you go to your music, used to be called iTunes, it's now called music, we'll switch that on. I'll turn it down so it's turned down. If you look at the bottom there, it says Uconnect. If I click on that, you'll see there's a tick next to Uconnect. That's this system in here. If there's no tick there and it's next to your iPhone, just click it and then back to the record. It's playing away there, so long as this is set right, any audio that's playing on your phone will come through the speakers in this system, whether it be YouTube, the audio off a YouTube video, iTunes, Amazon Prime Music, Spotify. This is iTunes or music as they call it now, but we now go to media. If I click media, I'll keep this turned down, but click on media, you'll see there that's already on this record. If it's not, and there's a USB in or it's on auxiliary, it's not working at the moment because there's nothing plugged in auxiliary down here, but if it was, that would light up. So it's automatically on Bluetooth. So onto Bluetooth, we'll turn this up, and then we'll turn this up. Sorry about the music. That's how you stream audio. Thanks for watching.